Big Data Project Ideas Guide 2024. Big data is an interesting topic to discuss. It helps individuals find patterns and results that would be difficult to achieve without.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Without its assistance. The demand for big data expertise is steadily increasing. Numerous candidates can benefit from acquiring knowledge in big data, enhancing their careers rapidly. Therefore, it is recommended that candidates work on beginner-level big data projects to gain knowledge and expertise in the field. This hands-on experience will allow individuals to explore what big data offers.
Both practical and theoretical knowledge is essential in any field. However, practical knowledge is often more valuable, especially in areas like big data. There are many big data project ideas that beginners can approach to gain valuable experience. Candidates should choose fields that not only provide profitable knowledge but also align with their interests. This will enable them to perform better in areas they are passionate about. Merely acquiring knowledge about big data is insufficient. Candidates must also practice what they have learned. Practical experience is crucial as it helps individuals apply their theoretical knowledge effectively. Gaining expertise in big data will also benefit candidates during job interviews as it adds valuable skills to their resumes. Hands-on experience with big data projects is a medium for testing and demonstrating their expertise. This article will discuss some interesting and beneficial big data project ideas for beginners. By reading this article, individuals will gain insight into big data project ideas that can help them start their careers on the right foot. Big data project ideas for beginners. Beginners can benefit from exploring certain big data project ideas to gain practical knowledge. Here are some ideas that can help them get started. Classify 1994 census income data. A great starting point for candidates is creating a model to predict whether an individual's income in the United States is more or less than $50,000. This project involves analyzing various factors that influence income and using big data to store and manage large datasets for future use. Analyzing crime rates in countries. Law agencies often use big data to analyze crime rates and predict future crimes. This big data project involves finding crime patterns, creating models, and validating them. Successful implementation of such a project can attract attention from governments and commercial businesses. Text mining project. Text mining is a popular and valuable big data project for beginners. Candidates will perform text analysis and visualization of documents, learning about pre-processing, cleaning steps, and constructing a term document matrix. This project helps demonstrate expertise in data science. Big data for cybersecurity. This advanced big data project focuses on investigating long-term and time-invariant dependence relationships in large datasets to improve cybersecurity measures. Candidates will gain practical experience in dealing with real-world problems and contributing to the cybersecurity industry. Health status prediction. This big data project involves building a machine learning model to classify individuals based on their health status, such as predicting heart disease. Decision trees are an effective tool for this task, and this project will help candidates understand how to use them for accurate predictions. Anomaly detection in cloud servers. Anomaly detection is crucial for threat detection in corporations. This project involves using cloud-based anomaly detection systems to ensure data security and efficient data streaming. Candidates will learn about state summarization and the novel nested arc hidden semi-Markov model (NEHISM), which are essential for enhancing data security. Problems faced in big data projects. Though big data is widely adopted in industry and many individuals are starting to approach it, certain issues may arise during project execution. Limited monitoring solutions. candidates may face challenges monitoring real-time environments due to the limited available solutions. This can be a common issue when working on big data projects. To overcome this, candidates must be well acquainted with big data analysis tools and technologies before starting any project. Timing issues. Another common issue is timing, often arising from output latency during data virtualization. Candidates must familiarize themselves with the tools and technologies that require high-level performance to solve these latency issues effectively. Proper risk management and professional measures can help tackle timing issues. The need for high-level scripting. Some tools require higher-level scripting than candidates may be comfortable with, leading to project difficulties. To resolve this, candidates should consult experienced professionals and learn more about the scripting requirements for their projects. Data security and privacy. Maintaining data security and privacy is crucial. Any data leakage or exposure can lead to serious issues that are difficult to resolve. Candidates working on big data projects must ensure data is handled securely to prevent breaches. Unavailability of tools. End-to-end testing often requires multiple tools. Candidates need to choose the right tools and technologies that fit their projects perfectly. The unavailability of specific tools can lead to time wastage and frustration, so it's essential to plan. 2 big data sets. Handling large data sets can be overwhelming. Candidates should regularly update their data and remove duplicates to manage datasets effectively. Proper data management practices are essential to avoid complications. To overcome these challenges, candidates must use the correct combination of hardware and software tools. Thoroughly check and verify data, removing duplicates if necessary. Apply machine learning concepts to achieve efficient and effective results. Familiarize themselves with the tools and technologies relevant to their projects. Technologies recommended for big data projects include C++, Python, open source databases, cloud solutions like AWS and Azure, SAS, R, Tableau, JavaScript, and PHP. These technologies help candidates find solutions to various project challenges. For example, cloud solutions are essential for data access and storage, while R is used for data science tools.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.